Hi, I'm Tracy Falby, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Michigan Real Estate, and I'm based in Battle Creek. Today I'm doing an open house preview for 7920 8.5 Mile Road in Ceresco. And if you are looking for peaceful country living on a 5.7 acre, mostly wooded lot, this one is definitely worth a look. So let's start out on the road. As you drive up, there's going to be this wide meadow that leads up to the mature forest that fills most of the property. It's a lovely hardwood forest that's around the house, mostly oak hickory, which is the type of forest that grows in this area. This home is 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, 1,352 square feet. It's Harper Creek School District, currently listed at $363,000. As you can see, it has an open, sunny front lawn, and the forest surrounds the home from the back. And there's lots of outbuildings. We'll get a little closer shot of those in a bit. As you can see, the forest surrounds everything from as you come up the driveway. Now we're in the backyard. It's an open, sunny backyard, so if you want to have a garden, there is sufficient space if you're into doing that. Here is the 2-car detached garage, so there's a nice garage. Then there's a small barn, and behind the barn there's a storage area, workshop. There's an animal pen. You can see the animal pen there. And then let's pause this as we look at this larger building by the backyard, because inside that is an indoor swimming pool. So there's a little mini resort in there. I'll put the link in the comments or the description to the listing so you can see pictures of the whole inside of the house and the swimming pool area. So that is a salt sanitation system in there. It does have a pool heater, so you can use the pool when it's not necessarily warm weather. All right, let's keep going. There, off of the barn area, there's a little clearing back there in the woods, so there's a shady, secluded haven back there if you just want to enjoy the peacefulness of nature. This is the forest behind the backyard, and as I mentioned, most of the lot is covered in this relatively mature hardwood forest, so it's very peaceful out there. If this is the country living you've been looking for, please visit the open house. It's scheduled for August 3rd, Sunday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Hope to see you there. And if you are looking to buy or sell a home anywhere in Battle Creek, Marshall, Kalamazoo, Portage area, please reach out to me. My phone number is 269-967-6589. Or you can use the link in the description or comment to send me an email. So please comment. If you like homesteading or you want to have a hobby farm, if that's your dream, let me know what you think of this property. Thanks for watching.